Hello, and welcome to today's episode of Power Tech, where we dive into the world of technology. Today, we're going to be talking about protection features in a power supply. Protection features in a power supply are designed to prevent damage to the components and the system as a whole. The most common types of protection features are overvoltage protection, overcurrent protection, short circuit protection, overtemperature protection, and undervoltage protection. Overvoltage protection, OVP, is a feature that prevents the voltage from exceeding a predetermined level, which could cause damage to the components or even start a fire. This protection feature is crucial in ensuring the stability of the electrical system and the safety of the user. Overcurrent protection, OCP. Overcurrent protection is a feature that prevents the current from exceeding a predetermined level. This feature is essential in preventing damage to the components and the system as a whole. When the current exceeds the limit, the power supply automatically shuts down to prevent damage. Short circuit protection, SCP. Short circuit protection is a feature that prevents the power supply from continuing to provide power when a short circuit is detected. This feature is critical in ensuring the safety of the components and the system as a whole, as short circuits can cause damage and even start a fire. Overtemperature protection, OTP, is a feature that prevents a power supply from continuing to provide power when the temperature exceeds a predetermined limit. This feature is crucial in ensuring the stability and safety of the electrical system, as high temperatures can cause damage to the components and even start a fire. Undervoltage protection, UVP, works by continuously monitoring the input voltage, and in the event that the voltage drops below a predetermined threshold, it shuts down the converter to prevent damage to the components. Low voltage can result in a decrease in power output, which can affect the performance of the connected devices. Furthermore, prolonged undervoltage conditions can damage the converter, potentially leading to costly repairs or replacements. Another feature on power supplies is hold-up time. Although this isn't specifically a protection feature, it can help protect certain systems during a power failure. So what is hold-up time? Hold-up time refers to the amount of time that the power supply can continue to provide power to the load in the event of a main power failure. It's an important factor to consider when choosing a power supply, especially in critical applications where a sudden power outage can cause damage or data loss. Hold-up time is calculated by measuring the amount of time it takes for the output voltage of a power supply to drop below a predetermined level after the main power has been removed. This value is usually specified in milliseconds and is often listed in the datasheet of the power supply. Hold-up time can be especially important for critical applications where a sudden power outage could cause damage or data loss. An example of this is a data center. An extended hold-up time can ensure that the servers continue to operate normally and prevent data loss or corruption. Similarly, in medical equipment, a long hold-up time can ensure that the equipment continues to operate and provide life-sustaining treatment to the patient until a backup power source is connected. And that's it for today's episode of Power Tech. We hope you learned something new about protection features in a power supply. Remember, it's always important to choose a power supply with adequate protection features to ensure that the stability and safety of your electrical system meets the requirements. Thank you for listening, and tune in next time for more technology insights.